Hi viewers, today we'll see how to use Microsoft 365 for free. Let's see. Please go to office.com. Click on the sign in option. Here you can sign in with your email ID, phone number or Skype. If you don't have any account on Microsoft yet, you can create one. Click here, create one. You can create using your phone number or email ID. That's simple. I already have a Microsoft account, so I will sign in with my email ID. Click on next. You can enter your password and then click on sign in. After signing, you will end up on the authenticated version of Microsoft. Here you can use different apps for free like Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Skype, everything, calendar, and different apps totally for free. Just you have to be online. So let's say I want to use PowerPoint. Click on the PowerPoint. New blank presentation I want to do. Let's say I want to design something related to tree. So it will give you different options like this. You can use this for your presentation. Similarly, if you want to use other apps, please click on this icon. That is the home icon. Click on the Excel. Click on new blank workbook. You can use it. Here you can feed your data like Alex, Bob, and you can also save it. You can save it from here directly. You can change the name test1, and it will save on your drive. That's really cool and simple. This works great for a small project, especially for a student whether they are in school or college. Please visit the website and use it. You don't have to install. Just need to connect your device with internet and then you can use different options. So these are the 5 simple steps. You can follow it and use your office for free. Go use it for free. Thank you.